decorating a small living room is actually not that difficult. With a few practical tricks, you can make the space look bigger visually and feel more comfortable and stylish. In this video, I will share some easy and affordable tips, starting from how to arrange furniture properly to choosing the right models and accents for your small living room. Alright, let's dive in. When decorating a small space, choosing the right furniture is crucial. And a two-seater sofa can be an ideal choice. Its more compact size not only saves valuable floor space, but also gives you more flexibility to arrange other furniture around it. This makes the room feel more spacious and less cramped, plus you can still add other decorative elements. Additionally, the design of the sofa legs plays an important role in creating the illusion of a larger space. Choosing a sofa with high, slim legs allows light to flow freely beneath it, making the room feel brighter and fresher. This leg design also adds a modern and elegant touch, making the two-seater sofa not only practical but also enhancing the overall aesthetics of the room. If your living room is very small and there's no room for a sofa, opt for two comfortable chairs as a solution. These chairs are enough for relaxation or casual conversations. The key to decorating a small living room is the right combination of chairs, a coffee table, and accents. Choose chairs with a light design, avoiding bulky or heavy ones. Chairs made of rattan or woven mesh with a slim structure will make the space feel more spacious and open. This is a simple and effective way to make your small living room feel more comfortable and functional. If you want your living room to have a luxurious feel, try applying gold or silver accents to some of your furniture. These colors symbolize sophistication and glamour, making them perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your space. But remember, don't overdo it. Excessive shine can make the room feel cramped and cluttered. Apply these metallic tones to a few key elements, like the legs of your sofa, coffee table, side tables, or decorative accessories like lamps and mirror frames. This way, your living room will look luxurious but still elegant, without being excessive. We all know that white walls can help create a sense of spaciousness and prevent a stuffy feeling, right? To optimize the illusion of a larger and brighter space, choose large furniture like sofas in neutral or light colors. These light colors will complement the white walls and make the room feel more expansive. If you prefer something simpler, try applying white or neutral tones to thin curtains, small furniture, or rugs. This will create a soft, monochromatic atmosphere. Avoid combining them with dark, contrasting colors, as this could break up the space and make it feel smaller. So, by using white and light neutral palettes, your small living room can transform into a place that feels more spacious and comfortable. Eye-catching rugs are perfect for large rooms. But in small spaces, they can actually make the room feel cramped. If your floor is light, opt for a rug in a similar tone. On the other hand, if your floor is dark, look for a rug in a similar shade, though it doesn't have to be exactly the same. The key is to make sure the contrast between the rug and the floor isn't too harsh. Additionally, avoid picking thick or heavy rugs, as they can make the space feel fuller and more cramped. Instead, choose a rug with a soft texture that adds comfort and warmth, but still helps your small room feel more spacious. Arranging a small space, especially when choosing a table, can often be confusing. A table that's too big can make the room feel cramped, while one that's too small might not meet your needs or look out of place. The solution is to use nesting tables. These tables come in different sizes and can be stacked when not in use, saving a lot of space. Even better, you can use them separately, adding a modern touch and flexibility to the room. You can also consider multifunctional furniture like ottomans or poufs. These pieces can serve as tables, footrests, or extra seating. Some even have hidden storage, making it easier to keep things organized. With furniture like this, you can arrange your space more freely and adjust the layout to suit your needs. When arranging a small space, it's often tricky to find a balance between looks and practicality. If you choose solid colors for the whole room, it might feel a bit dull. The solution is to add the right accents, like patterns and textures. You can add patterns to small items like pillows, blankets, or curtains, which can become a nice focal point in the room. Just remember, don't use too many patterns. 2 or 3 types are enough, and pair them with solid colored pieces to keep everything looking balanced. Make sure the pattern colors match the wall color and main furniture to keep a unified theme. Besides patterns, textures matter too. For example, materials like wool, linen, or wood can bring more depth and warmth to the room. Imagine a wool blanket on a linen sofa. It's not only cozy, but also creates a cool visual contrast. Decorating a small living room doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. By applying these simple, practical, and affordable tricks, such as choosing the right furniture, using light colors, adjusting your rug, and adding subtle accents, you can create a space that feels more open, comfortable, and stylish. Whether it's through selecting the right sofa, incorporating luxurious touches, or playing with patterns and textures, the key is to balance aesthetics with functionality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any future tips and ideas. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.